Hi, today we're going to show you a circuit of exercises and activities using these sliders and that wall. So first, we are the Note Ninjas. I'm Stephanie, the PT.
And I'm Nicole, the OT. So for this activity, Stephanie is in front of the wall and we are going to be using the wall as an external cue. So why is it an external cue? When we hit the sliders back towards the wall, you're tapping it, you're touching, the sound is all acting as an external cue in order for the patient to promote posture, upper extremity range of motion. And we're going to show a few exercises that target all these different skills. So first, Stephanie is just going to stand. We're going to just tap the wall straight back. And this is great for shoulder mobility as well as posture, back strength. Okay, and then she's going to add in some rotation. So she's going to tap the wall on the opposite side. So using these sliders on the wall as an external cue will help to increase that rotation. So I'm going to have Stephanie actually tap that wall, make the noise. Yeah, there we go. That way we're getting more core strength, stability, we're getting that extra rotation. See the leg movement too, so we're engaging those lower extremities as well. Good, and then we're just keeping the arms up to the side. You could do all different types of crossing midline. And this is also a great way to work on endurance as well. So standing endurance, as well as some posture. She's looking up. There's all different directions you can go. We can educate on breathing during these exercises. We can give tactile facilitation. We can give physical assistance at the hips, at the shoulders for increased range of motion. So there's so much you could do. There's so much you could work on. And these sliders are just so versatile. There's so many activities that if you guys like them, we will continue showing you more exercises with them. But they're very easy. They're very lightweight to carry around. As you can see, they're double-sided. So the blue shiny side is more, you can use that on a carpet, whereas the foam side is you can use it on the floor or on the wall to slide up and down. So these are great pieces of equipment that are super affordable and they're very versatile. So just remember to subscribe to the Note Ninjas for more treatment ideas and documentation tips.